Welcome to SmartLife Solutions, your one-stop channel for discovering smarter ways to live your everyday life. We're dedicated to providing you with practical tips and innovative ideas for a more organized, efficient, and fulfilling lifestyle. If you're tired of the constant chaos and yearn for a more organized life, then you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're going to delve into some amazing habits that can completely transform your life. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on this journey towards a smarter, more organized life together. Are you tired of living in a constant state of chaos? Do you often find yourself struggling to stay organized? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're going to share 5 organizing habits that will transform your life for the better. Habit 1. Use a planner or calendar. Schedules and deadlines can easily overwhelm us if we don't keep track of them. By utilizing a planner or calendar, you'll be able to prioritize tasks, set reminders, and stay on top of your daily activities. Habit 2. Declutter regularly. Clutter not only takes up valuable space, but also creates unnecessary stress. Make it a habit to declutter regularly by getting rid of items you no longer need or use. Trust me, the sense of relief and freedom you'll experience is worth the effort. In this age of technology, it's time we embrace the digital realm for organization. Consider going paperless and digitizing documents. Use apps and online tools to manage your tasks and schedules. Remember, your smartphone is not just a device for social media or entertainment. It can be your personal assistant too, helping you stay organized and efficient. So, before moving on to the next tip, take a moment to explore the digital tools available to you. They might just be the solution you've been looking for. Habit 3. Invest in labeled storage. We all have those miscellaneous items that never seem to have a proper place. Invest in labeled storage containers to keep things neat and tidy. Not only will you save time searching for things, but you'll also create a visually pleasing environment. Habit 4. Create a to-do list. With so much going on, it's easy to forget important tasks. By creating a to-do list, you can prioritize your responsibilities and ensure you don't miss any crucial deadlines. Plus, the satisfaction of ticking off completed tasks is priceless. Habit 5. Embrace the one-in, one-out rule. Whether it's clothes, gadgets, or appliances, life tends to accumulate more than we need. Implement the one-in, one-out rule, where for each new item you bring in, you'll let go of something you no longer use. This simple practice will prevent clutter from piling up. So there you have it. 5 organizing habits that could transform your life from chaotic to calm. Remember, staying organized is a continuous journey, and with these habits, you'll be on your way to a more efficient and stress-free lifestyle. Before we wrap things up, we'd like to remind you to hit that subscribe button to join the SmartLife Solutions community. You won't want to miss out on our future videos loaded with practical tips and innovative solutions to help you lead a more organized, efficient, and fulfilling lifestyle. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now and start your journey to a smarter life with us.